Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we are talking about something very serious. The United Nations is preparing to withdraw its troops from the Malakal protection of civilian camp. At the same time, fighting has broken out in Balet County, and army cattle aider are causing tension in Lya County. These three stories are connected in one big question. Is South Sudan ready to fully protect its own people? Stay with us until the end of this video, because what is happening right now could shape the future of Upper Nile and other parts of the country. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with United Nations to withdraw from Malakal protection camp. Many of you remember when the civil war was at its worst. People were running they were running for their life, families were separated, homes were burned. During that time, the United Nations created a special camp called Protection of Civilian Site, which is POC or POCH. Well, this camp were emergency shelters. Malakal POC become one of the largest. Thousands of people stay there for safety. Even after the peace agreement, many people did not return home. Why? Because they were afraid. Fear of revenge, fear of renewed fighting, and fear of insecurity. Now, more than 7 years after the conflict officially ended, the United Nations said it is ready to hand over the Malakal camp to the government of South Sudan under President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Well, this is a major step if you look at it. What the United Nations said, according to UN official, the transition will be organized and careful. They say the safety of residents remain the top priority. The government of Upper Nile State will take full control. The United Nations say this is part of a bigger plan. Over the years, other POC sites have already been closed or transferred to local authorities. The idea is simple. South Sudan must take responsibility for protecting its own citizens. That is what sovereignty means. But here is the question: is the country ready? Is the South Sudan government ready to protect the civilian fairly? Let's look at what the government said. The government of South Sudan responded. Upper Nile State Governor Jacob Dolo Root sent an official letter saying the state is ready to take over the POC. South Sudan government thanked UNMISS for protecting civilians during difficult years. They promised to use the facility for civilian and protection purposes. They also say police will be deployed. The handover ceremony is planned for February 13, 2026. But listen carefully. This handover is happening while tensions are rising in Upper Nile, and that brings us, issues concerning all this. If the government of South Sudan took over POC, many people are worried. They do not believe South Sudan government will treat them fairly. Remember, in POC, there are different tribes: Sholo, Dinka, Nuer, and so on. They only feel served when United Nations is there, the United Nations troops. But now, since the government of South Sudan is taking over, there are too much fear in POC. Anyway, let's move on to our second top story. Let's look at fighting in Balet County. There are new reports. Early Saturday morning, gunfire broke out in Balet County. Local authorities said opposition forces together with White Army fighters attacked Balet town. And this is what they said. According to them, the fighting lasted about 1 hour. In that fighting, 15 people were killed, including 1 government soldier. Officials say civilians were moved to several places before the attack. According to the SSPDF, they claim the attackers were pushed back, that the SPLIO and Norway Army were pushed back, according to the government. But here is something important, which is allegation not confirmed, that there are claims that over 300 attackers were killed. The number has not been independently confirmed, which tells us that this is lie and propaganda. So we must be careful about numbers during conflict. Still, one thing is clear: there was serious fighting only about 52 kilometers from Malakal. Think about that. Just day before UN planned to withdraw from the Malakal camp, violence erupted nearby. This raised serious concern. According to government, which the SPLAIO has responded by saying it is lie. Not more than 300 people were killed in that fighting. But the government of South Sudan is exaggerating the numbers just to make the population in Balet feel served. But according to the report, Balet was deserted by the people. People were running toward Malakal for their safety. And that in Balet only the SSPDF remained there. This is serious concern. East Upper Nile is going back to full-scale war. So, let's look at this. Why this matter? When the United Nations leave, responsibility shift fully to the government. But if clashes are already happening nearby counties, people inside Malakal camp may feel worried. Security is not only about promises. It is about stability on the ground. If violence spreads, displaced families may face danger again. And remember, many of them have already suffered enough. This is why timing is critical. And the United Nations or UNIMIS must do something about this. Instead of giving or handing over the POC camp to the government, knowing fully that the government will not treat people fairly, this is very concerning. Let's look at tension in Lya County. This is a different type of conflict, but equally dangerous. Authority in Lya County said Large number of army cattle either entered the area in December. The cattle are reportedly from Dinka Bor and Mundari communities. Farmers say their crops are being destroyed. Cassava is being harvested without permission. Flour is taken while drying. Household items are looted. Local leaders warn that if this continues, people may flee again. Think about that. After years in refugee camp, families want to return home. But if farms are destroyed, how can they survive? This is not only a security issue. It is a food security issue. It is a food security issue. It is a displacement issue. And it is a peace issue. The county commissioner said a joint committee has been formed. The goal is peaceful withdrawal of the headers. They are waiting for logistics before beginning operation. The message is clear. We are all South Sudanese, but destruction of farm is not acceptable. This is a sensitive situation. If handled badly, it could spark ethnic conflict. If handled wisely, it could prevent future violence in the area. Biakamal Guaseme, Raine Katin Konalat Korodian. Reporting them about a new kill, but Laman Chalat Kikwidi ni UN, a Latin take a unimis, a unimis troop, ke unimis force. Why can Chikala do Jen can Carpanal, became POC, became a last tet ka kume, kir, ki kume South Sudan. POC chagaja ka gwasi dane chi civil war chitwo, kore dane dide chitwo rewika South Sudan. Ineri wan charin Barton, ke kwiko bitegdien bajoken, Gwadran Chinarin Barton, a wongake general TG United Nations Mission Force. Take it in and when more to the Nikan take it in cause the Nikan tell like a boom rage. La gang can ideally quali. So Mitchell to become Gajino Baran by Joe Gangton, Jen ring nothing. One which are Dordi Alchaka Wang. So United Nations, chicken cam more chicken a chak alamagang Nardinton, la Jen protection for civilian NPOC. Ram chuwetin gang tigde. Kaman chalat ka Malakal POC a wajen bajelat tetka kume apanal la tetka governor randana kef apanal. Ngay kone rekem ka 2,000 people ticketin tin waratin ti jangtin ti tia ticketin. Chang medan mecha peace agreement charge time ke 2018. Ken nat ken ka brar. Kadwalko dong de rande jo nek keri benya attack dong de korro de ndar tuok de jo ngwa de nek lor bank she jin part of it so no mo chene wan che gnong dwal so kujo mone ne ideal chik remain kai DP camp new the POC 2,000 people tigetin at ganga tegdien when money so kajo ran chalat gwaseme en camp te gurundang baro en POC Malakal POC Michi United Nations chika jian, new generally thin big terrestrial comedy. Chikala do chicken kuma apna kan jogo no bia long bia jakan. Bia ne kun ba ka bia ka gang. Munyo do micha kam long ajeno de kan community dia de kan ka gang. Ba dear na long. Re kore me. Wan mo kuma South Sudan point te kor ke deni ke kume SPLIO. Gweke o jen CSF, michi nere kontin la United Nations for Chikajian. Kore jamo tinere wan tikatin, te dong chunkel ganere kontin la JSPLIO. Kanere kon dong ba kemba jabun ganga ken, kanere kontin la jukuma, tin chunkel ke kum kem yadit, so gweke jen over take a systematic way, mubana baga target kaja. Ajen midiane dial kajen wo, ngum de kume, UN, de kana goro ken, anabike jien, rewe kapanal. Shafanal Governor Jacob Dollar. Watch no ganu she welcome and over an challenge baka come IDP camp ala POC it can be a gangone. It can be police can deploy can SSPD up kiding. This is not enough. Kum micha jangat la ne to la ka guru no ba na ba gang ne ko ken but ngoda kanan tu la tum ba je tu ba ka kam POC ka changa wal diok ka payro ron kin dang ro wid jandang ro wid bakel nyo nan walle ci do nanin te shop ko ngwan ala chang wal diok ka payro ron kin dang jandang ro bakel ba ka kam luang ko bi ke POC bi kana ganga ken ban ngai ko na me be jelong ko kon ngai kon ga ko to ken ano mi cha kam ke la tuok ano ka ko ru ke ben so be be ma chana mero ai ke kwi mandana ci to ka Balet County ke report dana cha no ngwata me according to government report mero ai ke kirme yadit kana ko le dana ci to ka Balet jen pada ba penal watching ideal ci ko podon wini minere ko la civilian tel ramate ka Balet dan tam mila ran mila civilian ci ideal ci ko pot ci go we karo ji kam ka dpkm ke ci go we ka Malakal ci local authority ci kala do ne kana ci force dum nor wai army kana spilayo ci kan Balet ci kana mak kana ko mo te ka takel kanus kana de ko mo cha kan ne dangwel di ke report en kuma kirmi yadit ci kala do ne ikane ci kana de ku dang do ki kana naka nor wai army e report kuma mi shagor gwas mentemeno ku kan exaggerate ni number kuma spilayo ano pegan ci kala de ku dang jok ne de ku dang jok ti sha na ka spilayo kana nor wai army a waya kaj wa ku gana exaggerate ne je ko big ne den kontere wujin gwadmo dike feel no cha kor cha je no ngaken chicken bila dual ka ngai kenne ka togo no korbeje korche bet kuje mo ante ka Balet ka report ana chano no kene shi no wa mi cha kan ne ku dang jok no mona me wa chi true gen ka ko exaggerate number ngai kon diale ni shi kuma she peng di chalar ka joran chalar je gwasme wa la gen wo chi tok kwa la jona wo biga te ka hop ke chilo dien chebe ngar yen dob dan la peg ne ko ne makana ba je yonyal e report mi chala da mene dino jega lun ka tam koro ba peg ba yonyal makan kon confirmed so ne me mto en kur to ga Balet kam de kene Malakal take 52 kilometers la nande distant yen so eneme kuna la dierno okay mi ji yuan jen kan bige jen ka panal kaje na kurwe ka bincene de kon chara barata me dor chal mo Balet bugu we ka Malakal don bu we ka refugee camp ka POC ka remember POC a combination of many people yang atin ga tat kan wore ci bote ke revenge ko kan ci ga chujor gwa jen gatin chalo dien che bo ngen ne tin kon tilan wore ka kuy ko ci korje to ka Balet so na me still am gorgano de loch United Nation ko gor jeno dene ko tilan wore civilian de ka feel safe keluno en apenale no nuare jela governor eno ko sabti ko je guarantee ne kon shal nuare me da ci aje kon ling no gwade da no cha nuare cha target many the content the radio le kala we kam karar why the same thing could happen so me jang na ko bi ke dialo ngom na bo lat ko gwaten be United Nation responsibility ndante ke medit eno gang kana shikana de ban pin ko da bang no gor jeno ken de gersten but what decision mi kan real ka already we mean that ka chang wal ko pyro ron kin dangro jandang bakel we can power ke le we can top ka we can de ni ken we can jen we can de we can watch so bana kul bi man an bora lat ka gwasen be and what will happen ka Malakal ki ka panal metel ji unimis ji unimis kan re gon ganga tek ne re content joy ka gwa kur ana arame mo minyen ke kuma arame mo milaran kuma ponje kan dial la kena we ka kambu ko rumten so mun yodan tama DNA tin wana long gwazu mate report den mishalat mi benyo ga yekel report mo report talk dor shale lenya ala lenya jen daru take tijuri la tin take hok chanang tin alo chermi ci gake to kam dien tension kalenya county central equatoria neme terra dien to kon winemi ne de konti la hokla ka la ken kayen chet ke din ka bor ken mundari communities wa shiga te ke kore ke te de lat ko din winemi so ke jannas equatoria wa ho ken ci ken ganang winemi kaman to long malat ka gwata meni wa ken de konten wana mo teken ka beli ken ka pit chet ka cassava ki papundo ki de ala ko ken wa chamoka ka tet ken ka kanang ka nomni ken banin kon ko ken le cham awana Malakan wore duel bukan tol buka kwang dial bukan kanang ke bu nyin kana cha ko la ro ne de tin che de gwalong so cha committee cha kwanya no de ka jien de go obedient ko dong de coder talk. So we mean that attention midden michi ji wo ti chikan bi jere wuju ni mi shir mera ni kono ngani me tar no la ko kan talk. So nyu de no dong de ko de nyok mu talk ka de we ka kam do re karodien ti ka din ka bor ken mun dare dong de to ko kan kon la talk ji wo ni chang la nyin kan ka kwi ko o ko ngu bikan jogo la gor kan gwan mi te ka wal ko bok bikan wal to bikan ka kula la so jenta dan le rol so ne me jeri podan de yen link ka kwi karol ko mana to kai Equatoria kam nin ka bor kan mun dare ka kwi o tin kontin la ken ka so ne me de la jeri podan go de nya kon kelen ban nyo jeri podien ya te man